Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Poshmark application for your iPhone. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. To download Poshmark application on your iPhone, the first thing to do is to open your App Store and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, whether it is a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Now go to the search box after you are inside your App Store and type in Poshmark and search. Once you find this application, simply tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app. Once the application is downloaded and installed, you'll be able to open up the application on your iPhone. Poshmark is an online marketplace and social commerce platform that allows people to buy and sell new or used goods. Once the application is downloaded and installed, simply launch it open and create a new account for yourself to get started. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.